Hi everyone, my name is Suzy. This is a story about me. I will tell you all about my life. I hope you enjoyed with my stories. Chapter 1. About me. Hi, my name is Suzy. I am 16 years old. I study at university in my first year. My favorite subject is biology. I live in a small town near the mountains. I have short, brown hair and green eyes. My family is very kind and loving. I have one brother named Alex. Alex is 14 years old. He loves to play football. My mom works as a teacher. She teaches English at a school. My dad works in a shop. He sells fruit and vegetables. We also have a dog named Maximum. Max is brown and very friendly. I love to take Max for walks. My best friend is Emma. Emma is also 16, but she studies at another school. We talk every day after my classes. Chapter 2. My family. My family is small but happy. We live in a cozy house. Our house has 2 bedrooms, a kitchen, and a living room. My mom always cooks tasty food. She makes the best spaghetti. My dad loves to tell jokes. His jokes make us laugh a lot. My brother Alex is funny too. He likes to play video games in his room. We eat dinner together every night. After dinner, we watch TV. Sometimes we play board games. Max, our dog, sits with us in the living room. On weekends, we go to the park. We bring a picnic and play games. My family also loves to sing. My mom sings while cooking. My dad sings in the car. Alex and I laugh because their singing is funny. Chapter 3. Spring Adventures. Spring is my favorite season. The weather is warm, but not hot. In spring, flowers bloom everywhere. My family takes trips to the countryside. We go hiking in the mountains. The trees are green, and the birds sing. We also visit the river. Alex and I like to skip stones on the water. Max runs and plays in the grass. On one trip, we saw a family of ducks. The baby ducks were so cute. In spring, I also plant flowers in our garden. I love tulips and daisies. My mom helps me with the garden. On rainy days, we stay home. We drink tea and watch movies. Spring makes me feel happy and full of energy. Chapter 4. Summer Fun. Summer is hot and sunny. I have a long holiday from university. My family goes to the beach every summer. We pack sandwiches, drinks, and sunscreen. Alex loves to swim in the sea. I like to sit on the sand and read books. Max runs on the beach, chasing seagulls. Sometimes, we build sandcastles. One time, our castle was so big. My dad took a picture of it. In the evening, we eat ice cream. My favorite flavor is chocolate. We also go camping in summer. We sleep in a tent under the stars. At night, we make a fire and toast marshmallows. Summer is fun, but it can be very hot. On hot days, we stay inside and eat cold watermelon. Chapter 5. Autumn Colors. Autumn is cool and windy. The leaves turn red, orange, and yellow. My family loves to walk in the park in autumn. We take lots of photos of the trees. Alex likes to jump in piles of leaves. Max plays in the leaves too. We also visit a farm every autumn. The farm has pumpkins, apples, and corn. I help my mom bake an apple pie. It smells so good. My dad loves to eat pumpkin soup. In autumn, I also go back to university. I meet my friends after the summer break. We talk about our summer holidays. I start new classes and study hard. Autumn is busy, but it is beautiful. Chapter 6. Winter Days. Winter is cold and snowy. My family enjoys winter a lot. We wear warm coats, scarves, and boots. On snowy days, Alex and I build snowmen. We also have snowball fights. Max likes to play in the snow too. He jumps and runs in the white snow. At home, we drink hot chocolate. My mom makes cookies for us. The house feels warm and cozy. We celebrate Christmas in winter. Our house has a big Christmas tree. We hang lights and decorations on it. On Christmas Eve, we eat a special dinner. Alex and I exchange gifts. I love winter because it feels magical. Chapter 7. My daily routine. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. First, I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then, I eat breakfast. My mom makes eggs and toast for me. After breakfast, I go to university. I take the bus to get there. My classes start at 9 a.m. I have 3 or 4 classes each day. I study subjects like biology and math. At lunchtime, I eat with my friends. We talk and laugh together. After classes, I go home. I do my homework in the evening. Sometimes, I help my mom cook dinner. After dinner, I watch TV or read a book. I go to bed at 10 p.m. Chapter 8. My friends. I have many friends at university. My best friend is Emma. She is kind and funny. Emma and I love to study together. She helps me with math, and I help her with biology. I also have a friend named Jake. Jake loves sports. He plays basketball after classes. My other friend is Lucy. Lucy is very smart. She wants to be a doctor. We all like to eat lunch together. On weekends, we meet at the park. We play games or go for a walk. Sometimes, we go to the cafe and drink coffee. My friends make me happy. Chapter 9. My study at university. My university is big and beautiful. It has many buildings and a large garden. My favorite place is the library. The library is quiet and full of books. I like to study there after my classes. The classrooms are big and have many windows. I sit near the front so I can listen to the teacher. The cafeteria is also nice. It serves sandwiches, salads, and soups. My favorite is the chicken sandwich. The university also has a gym. Many students go there to exercise. Sometimes, I join Emma and Jake for a workout. The teachers at my university are kind. They help us when we have questions. I enjoy studying at this university. Chapter 10. My weekends. Weekends are fun and relaxing. On Saturday, I wake up late. I eat breakfast with my family. Then, I clean my room. In the afternoon, I meet my friends. We go to the mall or watch a movie. Sometimes, we go to the park and play games. On Sunday, I spend time with my family. We often go to the countryside. We enjoy walking and taking photos. In the evening, I prepare for the week. I check my homework and pack my bag. Before bed, I read a book or listen to music. Weekends are my favorite time to relax. Chapter 11. My hobbies. I have many hobbies. I love to read books. My favorite books are about animals and adventures. I also like to draw. I draw pictures of flowers, trees, and people. Sometimes, I paint with watercolors. Another hobby I have is baking. I bake cookies and cakes with my mom. We use chocolate and fruits for our recipes. I also enjoy walking with Maximum. We go to the park every evening. On rainy days, I stay inside and play board games with Alex. Hobbies make me happy. They are a great way to spend free time. Chapter 12. My Summer Camp. Last summer, I went to a camp. It was in the forest near a lake. At the camp, I met new friends. We stayed in wooden cabins. Every morning, we ate breakfast in the dining hall. After breakfast, we went hiking. We saw animals like deer and rabbits. In the afternoon, we swam in the lake. The water was cool and clean. At night, we made a fire. We sang songs and told stories. One night, we saw so many stars in the sky. It was beautiful. The camp was a wonderful adventure. Chapter 13. Helping my family. I like to help my family. At home, I clean my room. I also set the table before dinner. After dinner, I wash the dishes. On weekends, I help my dad in the garden. We plant flowers and vegetables. I also help my mom cook. She teaches me how to make soup and pasta. Sometimes, I babysit Alex when my parents go out. I play games with him and help him with his homework. Helping my family makes me feel good. We work as a team. Chapter 14. My birthday. My birthday is in May. Last year, I turned 16. My family made my day special. In the morning, my mom baked a big cake. It had chocolate and strawberries on top. My dad and Alex gave me gifts. Alex gave me a book, and my dad gave me a new bag. In the evening, my friends came to my house. We had a small party. We played games and ate pizza. After that, we ate the cake. It was so delicious. I felt very happy and loved. Birthdays are my favorite days. Chapter 15. A snowy day. One winter morning, I woke up and saw snow outside. Everything was white and beautiful. I put on my coat, scarf, and boots. Alex and I went outside to play. First, we built a big snowman. We gave it a carrot nose and a hat. Then, we had a snowball fight. Max ran in the snow, wagging his tail. Later, my dad joined us. He made a big snowball and rolled it down the hill. We laughed a lot. After playing, we went inside. My mom made hot chocolate for us. We sat by the fire and warmed up. It was a perfect snowy day. Chapter 16. My Summer Holiday. Last summer, my family went to the beach. We stayed in a small house near the sea. Every morning, we had breakfast on the balcony. We could see the waves and hear the birds. During the day, we swam in the sea. The water was warm and clear. Alex and I collected seashells. I found a big, pink shell. In the evening, we walked along the shore. We watched the sunset. The sky turned orange and purple. On the last day, we ate at a seafood restaurant. I had fish and chips. The holiday was relaxing and fun. Chapter 17. A day at the zoo. One weekend, my family went to the zoo. The zoo had many animals. First, we saw the lions. They were big and strong. Next, we visited the monkey house. The monkeys jumped and played. Alex laughed when a monkey made a funny face. Then, we saw elephants. One elephant sprayed water with its trunk. We also saw colorful birds and tall giraffes. My favorite animal was the panda. It looked cute and fluffy. At lunchtime, we ate sandwiches and drank juice. After lunch, we bought small toys from the gift shop. It was a fun day at the zoo. Chapter 18. My Winter Holiday. During the winter holiday, my family went to the mountains. We stayed in a small cabin. The cabin had a fireplace and soft blankets. Every morning, we had pancakes for breakfast. After breakfast, we went skiing. Alex was very good at skiing. I tried my best, but I fell a few times. My dad helped me get up. In the afternoon, we drank hot tea and rested. In the evening, we played games by the fire. Max sat near us, enjoying the warmth. The mountains were cold, but we had a lot of fun. Chapter 19. A Day in the Countryside. In spring, my family visited the countryside. The air was fresh, and the sky was blue. We walked on a path near the fields. Flowers grew everywhere. I picked some yellow and purple flowers. We saw cows and sheep in the fields. Max barked at the cows, but they didn't mind. We also visited a small lake. Alex skipped stones on the water. My dad took photos of the scenery. For lunch, we ate sandwiches under a big tree. After lunch, we rested and listened to the birds. The countryside was peaceful and beautiful. Chapter 20. My Dreams for the Future. I have many dreams for the future. I want to finish university and learn a lot. My favorite subject is biology, so I hope to become a scientist. I want to study animals and nature. I also want to travel to new places. I dream of visiting big cities and quiet forests. One day, I want to live in a house with a big garden. I will plant flowers and trees there. I also want to help my family. They always support me, and I want to make them proud. My dreams make me excited for the future.